In UDP we have this main characteristic also, right? So you can take, there is no guarantee of delivery. When it comes to UDP, there is no guarantee of delivery. So because of that we are calling this unreliable protocol. So this is one point. Then after, for example, there will be a packet lost or order will be changed when you use UDP protocol. Then after, there is no error checking, right? No error checking. When it comes to TCP, we have error checking mechanism, but here we don't have any error checking mechanism. Data could be corrupt when it go to the received end. And also this is faster than TCP. Faster than TCP. Because why reason is there's no need to worry about reliability, right? So it will directly send this information without creating any session or anything. For example, if you want to see any video on YouTube, on that time it will use UDP protocol, right? Online gaming, on that time you can use UDP protocol, because there is no need to wait for that single packet to send again, right? So otherwise live stream need to hold some time, then after we can continue that live stream again if we use TCP protocol. Because of that, for the live stream, online gaming, this kind of thing, we are using UDP protocol. So in summary, this is a simple and efficient protocol, and also this is well suited for the application which is not need to reliability, right? Which is not need to reliable. On that time you can use UDP protocol. So this protocol is basically a scaled down version of TCP. Just like TCP, this protocol provides delivery of data between application running on host on a TCP IP network. This is also like a TCP protocol, right? But there is no guarantee about delivery of information, and also data does not care about the order in which the segment arrive at the destination. Because of this, it is considered to be an unreliable protocol. We are calling this unreliable protocol. UDP is also considered to be a connectionless protocol since no virtual circuit is established. There is no session creation, there is no handshake operation but when you use UDP protocol. So for the application, UDP protocol, as I told, you can use for the online gaming, then after voice over IP, or you online video streaming, this kind of thing you can do using UDP protocol, right? So then after we have UDP header. When it comes to UDP header, this is 8-byte field, so we have 4 field, right? So we have 2 byte for the source port, then after destination port number, and another 4 byte for the length and checksum, right?